If the cold temperatures have you ready to stay inside and hibernate over the weekend, here's something worthwhile to do while you hunker down. The 8th annual Bird Bash will be Saturday, February 6th, and the fundraiser will be all virtual. You can log on at 6:30 and the program begins at 7. Every year, Bird Bash has one district-wide initiative, and this year they hope to raise $50,000 to purchase 2,500 electronic and print multicultural books for the middle and high schools.
So we really hope that these books will be both a window and a mirror for our students. We have a very diverse student body, and we really want to celebrate everybody's backgrounds.
The virtual event is free, and you can find out more information on our website, ccxmedia.org.
Find more local news stories at ccxmedia.org and follow us on social media.